gorgeous garden or landscape can get pricey, here's a budget-friendly way to create beautiful blooms in your yard.
One of the ways that you can stretch your budget in your landscape is to use a lot of perennial flowers. After a couple seasons of growth, they'll actually get large enough that you can divide one plant into 2 or more plants. The way to see if a plant is a good candidate is to check the foliage at the base. And if you see that most of the branches are kind of already clumped in an area, and this one's got a separate piece, and then you can see there's even another one over here, that gives me a pretty good idea that this plant can turn into 3 plants. So to make that switch, simply grab the shovel, pull it out of the ground, and separate the plants. And you can see here I've got this one. I can also lift this one and just kind of gently shake it until they come apart. Pull the roots apart, and there's my new plants.